Привет, друзья! У нас здесь настоящая зима. We have real winter here. Здесь настоящая зима. И это моя любимая погода зимой. And зимой means in winter. It's already in winter. You don't need any extra prepositions. Это моя любимая погода зимой, потому что сейчас очень снежно, really snowy, очень снежно и не холодно. It's not cold at all. И не холодно. И очень-очень снежно. Снег везде. There's snow everywhere. Снег везде. Да. И сегодня я хочу рассказать вам, I want to tell you about a new phrase, a new very useful phrase to learn and use. And that is несмотря на. Spite on. Несмотря на. For example, like, in spite of. I forgot the English preposition. For example, in spite of the weather, we went to the countryside. Несмотря на погоду, мы поехали за город. And here, after несмотря на, we need accusative case. That's why несмотря на погоду. In spite of the weather, we went to the countryside. Несмотря на погоду, мы поехали за город. За город, it already means to the countryside. It's already the direction. And поехали, it's perfective of ехали. Like we went there once in the past. So you need perfective form. Несмотря на погоду, мы поехали за город. Or in spite of the cost, we still booked that hotel. Несмотря на цену. So цена is the cost. It's feminine noun. That's why the ending becomes у. Несмотря на цену, мы забронировали этот отель. It's a long word to book. Забронировать. Oh, look, guys, it's really beautiful. How to call it? Like red berries on the tree in snow. Очень красиво. Я думаю, зимой птицы едят эти ягоды. I think in winter birds eat these berries. Зимой птицы едят эти ягоды. So, where were we? Несмотря на. Or I can say, let's take something masculine. Or neutral. In spite of my mood, I still decided to go to the party. Несмотря на мое настроение. Настроение is the mood. So настроение it's neutral noun. And neutral copies masculine rule. That's why no changes. So несмотря на мое настроение, я поехала на вечеринку. So the party, the meeting, you can say like вечеринка. Несмотря на мое настроение, я поехала на вечеринку. Now I need to cross the road, and then I will come back. So that would be the first part for you. Practice this phrase with a noun. So try to put different cases like masculine, feminine, neutral, and see how it looks in the sentence. But here is the second part of this rule. If you want to use it with a sentence, for example, in English you don't say it this way. You say in spite of being there, or in spite of the fact that I was there, and then something. So when you don't want to say like in spite of the weather or in spite of my mood, but you use a sentence, in spite of the fact that I was there. So if you want to use it with a sentence, then we need something different. You need to add something to this construction. For example, несмотря на то, что. So you need to add несмотря на то, что, and then you can make a sentence. Несмотря на то, что я была там. In spite of the fact that I was there. Or in spite of the fact that we had a lot of food, we decided to order sushi. Несмотря на то, что у нас была еда, мы заказали суши. У нас была еда. We had food. Мы заказали суши. So that's the second part. I encourage you guys to practice it with a sentence. See how it looks when you use it with a noun and how it looks when you use it with a sentence. And we'll give you the third part of this super useful phrase, like in spite of anything, несмотря ни на что. That means like whatever happens, I will do something. Несмотря ни на что. Несмотря ни на что, я поеду в Москву. Like, no matter what happens, I will go to Moscow this week. Несмотря ни на что. Я поеду в Москву, потому что у моей подруги день рождения. Because my friend, she has birthday. So, no matter what, I will go there. So, несмотря ни на что. Alright guys, that is it. I hope it was helpful. And if you would like to get a worksheet on this video, or if you would like to have the access to the archive with a lot of videos on grammar and vocabulary I have, you can get the link in the description of this video to my Patreon page, or if you would like to support me, that's also really great. So the link in the description and the comments, and see you soon. Bye bye.